Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nofal Ibtial Sulaiman from Jurnal Sipansi. Here I will explain about the country that I want to live in. The country is Japan. Japan is a country that is ranked in the top 10 as one of the safe and most peaceful countries in the world. Peace-loving Japan always prioritizes security, which is one of the main reasons why this country has been named the world's top tourist destination. Now, let's get to know Japan from the aspect of population, cities in Japan, food, custom, culture, tourist places, and universities in Japan that I choose to continue my study.
The current population of Japan is 125,522,729 as of Thursday, December 22, 2022 based on World Matter elaboration of the latest United Nations data. Japan 2020 population is estimated at 126,476,461 people at mid-year according to UN data. Japan population is equivalent to 1.62% of the total world population.
Tokyo is the nation capital with a population of nearly 9 million people. Located in the center of Japan main island, Honshu, the city overlooks Tokyo Bay and the Pacific Ocean. Being the main economic center of the country, Tokyo is also home to most of the centralized Japan government agency and institutions, such as the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, which is the administrative center. Currently, Tokyo is bordered by Saitama Prefecture to the north, Chiba Prefecture to the east, Kanagawa Prefecture to the south, and Yamanashi Prefecture to the west. Ranked third, Osaka has around 2.7 million residents. This large city is located in the Kansai region of Honshu at the mouth of the Yodo River on the Osaka Bay. Historically a city of merchants, Osaka was the center of the rice trading industry during the Edo period and remains today the main economic center for the country. Osaka is still the headquarters of large companies such as Panasonic, Sharp, and Sanyo. Osaka is also famous for its culinary delight. Often referred to as the kitchen of Japan, the city has long been the port of entry for most of the food that come to the country. From there, local chefs began creating dishes that remain classic to this day. Kyoto, a city in the shape of a basin surrounded by mountains to the east, west, and north, with a population of 1.4 million. In contrast to big cities like Tokyo and Osaka, there are no skyscrapers that adorn the city. As the former imperial capital, Kyoto offers hundreds if not thousands of interesting sites to visit, often referred to as the most beautiful city in Japan. UNESCO has recognized by adding it to the World Heritage List in 1994, 17 sites located in Kyoto, including temple and castle. Kyoto is known as the center of Japanese culture and art. Ramen is a noodle soup dish consisting of white noodles, also known as ramen noodle, a savory broth, soy sauce, salt, miso, and tonkotsu pork bone are the four main ramen broth bases, and topping of meat, protein, or vegetables such as sliced pork, nori seaweed, spring onion, bamboo, shoot, and others. Ramen is one of present-day Japan's absolute favorite delicacies, costing very little and being widely available in restaurants and ramen bars. One of the three main noodle varieties eaten in Japan, udon noodle, are thick, chewy, and traditionally made from wheat flour and brine water. Udon can be served in a number of different ways, but are most commonly used in noodle soup, where they are served in a savory soup broth with different garnish. Some of the most common udon noodle soup dishes include kitsune udon, tempura udon, and chikara udon. Possibly one of the most controversial dishes in all of Japanese cuisine, sashimi is raw fish or meat that has been expertly cut into thin slices and typically comes served with daikon radish, pickled ginger, wasabi, and soy sauce. Sashimi differs from sushi in that all sushi is made with vinegarized and does not always contain raw fish, while sashimi is almost exclusively raw fish and is never served with rice. The fish used to make sashimi must be as fresh as possible, but in order to minimize the risk of contamination and because fresher fish make for tastier sashimi. Japan is a country with a high level of politeness. The people have a high awareness of decency, order, and cleanliness. Even in Japan, if you want to pass gas, you have to go out first or find a quiet place that no one else know about. If you walk carelessly, they will think you are impolite and have bad etiquette. Japan is a developed country, so they can produce their own vehicles such as motorbikes and cars. Very many Japanese motorcycle and car brands are marketed in Indonesia. However, students in Japan prefer to ride bicycle compared to motorbike or private car. In Japan, throwing garbage in its place has become an ingrained habit. If you visit Japan, you will have a little trouble finding a trash can, even though it's difficult. No one throws trash anywhere. People will carry their garbage until they return home. Hanami, or what is known as the Cherry Blossom Welcoming Festival. Hanami is a tradition as well as a culture that has existed for thousands of years in Japan. Initially, the Hanami festival was only held by nobles and the upper class. As time progressed in the Edo period, the activity of enjoying sakura flower was finally implemented by the wider Japanese community. Hanabi is one of the famous Japanese culture among Japanese people. Hanabi is a spark and represents the beauty of fireworks as a part of Japanese culture which has been loved for a long time. Since the Edo period, Hanabi has symbolized the arrival of summer in Japan with countless fireworks festivals that attract hundreds or even thousands of people. Besides that, there are also matsuri, kimono, sado, and other. One of Japan's largest aquarium in Japan can also be a tourist location that must be visited. You can see a lot of marine life, from fish on the surface to in the sea. Fusumi Shrine is an attraction for local and foreign tourists. The entrance is filled with orange gates or torii and beautiful trees around it. This is where you can watch the most unique Japanese fashion show. This location is a district that is between Shinjuku and Shibuya.
Continue my study. I really want to continue my study to Tokyo University. I choose Tokyo University because I want to continue my previous major, namely communication science. This campus is one of the most chosen because it was ranked first in Japan, 481 in the world for communication major, according to the EduRank Survey Institute. Maybe that's all about the country of Japan that I want to live in. Sorry if there are data error or word pronunciation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.